Not every legend was born loud. Some arrived quietly over time. Opel Manta Irmscher 4.0i 24V C40 wide body. Some earned respect through presence, not through noise or chaos. Built in an era that feared nothing and followed no rules. Raw metal shaped with purpose, driven by pure intent. Wide, low, and unapologetic, refusing to blend in. Every rotation tells a story of control and precision. Built to move, engineered to dominate the road. Power delivered with presence without compromise. You don't just hear it, you feel it in motion. This isn't nostalgia, this is living history. This is rebellion, forged in steel and intent. No traction, no fear, only commitment. Control through chaos, mastery through motion. No screens, no filters, no distractions, just the driver and the machine. This is how cars were meant to feel. Rare, raw, and undeniably real. Every curve earned through purpose and performance, not chasing trends, creating identity, creating legends that refuse to fade. Irmscher didn't build cars, they built statements, forever untamed, forever remembered.